Jefferson Junket press conference starts in room B in 2 minutes.
Move carefully, people. We can't have any corridor accidents. Move quickly, people. We need to keep this junket rolling or we'll never get through it. Yes. Junket. Yes. A press tour or promotional event. JUNKET.
That's why Johnny and I got together and wrote this book. Miss Purple Pineapple and Mr. Peach get along. My name goes first, obviously.
And did the sparks fly as the two of you worked together?
McLaren doesn't let me have fireworks in my room. Or, wait, what? Sparks like arguments. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. No, no, no. Yes. No. Sid, what was the right answer for this one?
A working relationship was...
Our working relationship was both professional and creatively satisfying. Yes, that one.
You've got the 10 show in room 5, This Dawning with Hillip and Folly in room 9, and Spaceogram Influences in rooms 10 to 50. I don't know where they all keep coming from, but they're stunning.
I love being Nova's personal assistant. PA to a VIP. It's ZC. Zigbee Kill.
Karen, I stumbled my word.
No stumbles today. Today, we just glide. Now go, go, go.
My name in the spotlight, don't need no introduction. I'm sold out every night, 'cause I'm the main distraction. Attraction. Flopsticks. Tell McLaren they need to fix the song I just done. I sang a wonky word and I hit a bum note.
Bum.
Inside out? No, my outfit's not. I meant to do that. It's fashion.
Oh. Clark. The Jefferson's on the way to the nearest sun for refueling. Top up the Starlight, or as I like to call
Good,
it...
that was my plan. And you'd like to do repairs while we're parked?
Yes! Repairs, that was my next idea. The nudulator's really struggling. There's no grease on grommet 9 and my flubles are nearly worn out.
I said my name wrong. I said no baboons. Clear a path, normal people.
Space petrol. That's what I call the Starlight.
Press junket number 12 begins in 10 minutes.
Where's my colour gone?
Nova's on the move.
Hang on, I'll find my keys.
What are you gonna sing?
Offs, Blob.